Guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix packet loss, high ping, network jittering, or stuttering on Fortnite. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step will be for security reasons. You need to go on search, and then you just need to write create a restore point, press create, and then name it whatever you like. In my case, it's Fortnite. So in case you mess up something on settings, you need to go back here and then restore before you change anything here. So you just need to go to system restore, choose a different restore point, press next, select Fortnite, and complete steps and restore your PC. Okay, and now let's go with a fix. So first of all, go and search and write view network connections. Then you will have maybe a bunch of different options here. So disable everything here that you don't use. So right click on the task and press disable. In my case, I only use Ethernet connection, so everything is disabled for me. Then right click on your internet connection, go to properties, make sure client for Microsoft Networks and Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4 is the only two options enabled, right? And then apply the changes, right click again, go to properties, configure, power management, make sure only option is available, allow this device to wake up the computer, then go to advanced and copy my settings here. So first one, advanced EEE and RP offload should be disabled. EE max support speed, don't change anything here. Energy efficient Ethernet, flow control, gigabit light, green Ethernet, interrupt moderation, IPv4 checksum offload, jumbo frame, large send offload v2, IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled. Network address not present. NS offload and power saving mode disabled. Priority and VLAN should be priority and VLAN enabled. Receive buffers should be, leave it as this, don't change anything here. Shutdown wake on LAN should be disabled. Speed and duplex should be highest available. TCP checksum offload IPv4 and TCP checksum offload IPv6 should be disabled. Transmit buffers should be, leave it as it is, don't change anything here. UDP checksum offload IPv4 and UDP checksum offload IPv6 should be disabled. VLAN ID, leave it as it is. Wake on magic packet and wake on pattern match should be disabled, and WOL shutdown link speed, leave it as it is. Apply the changes. Then go to again on your internet connection. Look for Internet Protocol version 4, and then you need to use DNS server addresses. So basically there is two main DNS server addresses, Cloudflare's, which I'm using right now, and Google DNS server addresses. So you need to test it out for yourself, what you're getting, with which one you're getting the best results. And to do so, you just need to open up CMD, make sure to open as admin here. And then you need to just test every DNS server one by one by writing ping and then DNS server. So first it will be Google ones, 8.8.8.8, and then look what results you're getting. In my case, as you can see here, packet loss 0 on average, and then MS, 9 MS on average, okay? If I put secondary Google DNS server address, ping 8.8.4.4, look what results we are getting here. 9 MS again with 0 packet loss. If I put Cloudflare's, right, ping 1.1.1.1, I'm getting 4 MS with 0 packet loss. And if I put Cloudflare secondary one, 1.0.0.1, I'm getting 5 MS on average, 5 MS with 0 packet loss. For me, Cloudflare is better, so I'm using here. So once you put the right DNS server addresses that is better for you, press OK and apply the changes. Look if you're getting better results or not. Still, if the problem persists and the game lags, then I highly advise you to use exit lag. I used it when I had a internet connection, when I played with Wi-Fi, CS2. It helped me a lot. And if you click my link in the description below, you can use basically set up everything here with a free trial without spending any money. And then you just need to look if you're getting better results or not. Of course, if you buy something, I will get small commission for that as well. And to set up everything here, you just need to get an app, go to library, then you need to look for Fortnite or search, and then you just need to choose a region, select the region that you want to use. In my case is Europe, and then you just need to apply routes. And once the routes applied successfully, you just need to launch the game and look if you're getting better results or not. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.